Place the printer on a flat surface. Place the resin tank included in the finish kit into the printer's tank seat as shown. After placing the resin tank, tighten the tank holder screws on both sides. Properly plug in the power cable included in the finish kit. After plugging in the power cable, turn on the switch as shown. Press the power button on the front of the printer and wait for the printer to turn on after the lights come on. The printer setup screen will appear. Press the 3B Fab logo on the setup screen. Connect your device to the nearest Wi-Fi network. Enter the login information created for you. If you don't have the login information, please contact your sales representative. Your printer will start after logging in.